What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today's little endure is we're gonna get the beast started and pull it up out of the grass here. I know I parked it when I parked it here last winter. I did not have any brakes, so we're gonna get it up somewhere where we can see the brakes better without laying in all the grass. Got a battery in there, added brake fluid. So let's see if it'll do anything. And we're gonna park it up there. So far this motor's done pretty good about starting after it sits, so I think it'll be fine. Obviously the driver's side door doesn't open. Alright. Let's see if we got some sparkage. Got the choke. Oh, it's got some turning. Might need some Cosby sauce. Or I need to make that carburetor primed again because it's been quite a while since it started. Like we only barely moved it around a little bit last year. Well, we used it to dig out that foundation part there, but I got a water line to dig up, so we need it again. Oh, there it is. Awesome. We got vacuum pressure. No fuel, partially dead battery. Let it warm up a little bit. He's a little smoky. God dang, I need a haircut. Starting to feel like a fuzzy lollipop. Cylinder on there. So, let's go. Bit of water. Oh shit, there's our leak. Everything seems to be working good yet. Water, water, water. All right. Fix that where it connects down there on the hydraulic on the pump. It doesn't work real well. So now we're gonna drive it at our anti-theft device there, and I forgot what gear is where, so this might be a little bit of a take. If I remember for first is right there. Now hopefully we don't get stuck like last year when we tried to move this front bit. Oh, she's a little stuck. And in case you haven't noticed, I don't have a gas pedal, just a little rod sticking out of the ground. Out of the floor, sorry. That's my gas pedal, so it's kind of hard to control the throttle right now. And who knows how much gas is in here. It doesn't want to stay running. There we go. And we're off. You got no brakes, buddy? At all. It was empty, maybe that's all the problem is. I think they're coming back. Oh, we got brakes back here. See if they work. Obviously they work. Can't zoom in. I don't have any oil pressure yet though. But you gotta make sure this is all ready to go to start work, so we'll put it up here anyway. We got brakes. How much more do I go? Can I go up? I want to be able to walk in front of it. I may as well just take this down to the trailer now then. I want to try to fix this fucker. See, my problem is here, I'll turn it off. There's where my gas pedal should be. And all I got is this little rod here to push on, so my throttle control is not real good. But I think while I'm here, I'm tired of going in and out of the driver passenger seat, so I think I'm going to take these rivets off so I can actually get in and out. I don't need both doors anyway. This window doesn't even roll up. I don't even think it's got a window yet. That'll be today's quick little video, and we got a shitload more stuff. Thanks for watching this quick little scheme. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, do something. I need some ideas when I got spare time.